Thinking about using Spendee to get your finances in order, it promises sleek budgeting tools, bank syncing, and colorful spending insights. But is it actually useful or just another app cluttering your phone? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Spendee is a finance app that helps you track expenses, plan budgets, and see where your money's going. You can connect your bank accounts or enter stuff manually. It looks super clean and supports multiple currencies, so it's great for travelers or remote workers too. Users love the interface. It's bright, simple, and not overwhelming. It gives you a clear view of your spending habits and helps you set realistic budget goals. The shared wallets feature is also handy for couples or roommates. But here's the catch. There are a few downsides. On Trustpilot, some users complain about bugs and syncing issues. Others feel the free version is too limited. You'll need to go premium for full features like automatic bank syncing. Also, if you're outside the EU or US, support might feel a bit slow. So for the final verdict, is Spendee legit? Yep, it's not a scam. It's a real solid budgeting tool, but it's not perfect. If you're okay with paying a bit or using manual entry, it can definitely help you manage your money better. Have you tried Spendee? Love it, hate it, or somewhere in between? Let me know in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more no fluff app reviews.